Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to back up mnemonics on Bitget Wallet. Backing up your mnemonics is crucial for securely restoring your wallet if you ever lose access to it. So, let's get started on how to back up mnemonics on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on your profiles from the top of the list. In your profile settings, locate the Backup Mnemonics option and tap on it. Finally, tap on the Backup Mnemonics option at the bottom of your screen to complete the process. And this is how you can back up mnemonics on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.